gray sky, hello blue. There's nothing can hold me when I hold you. It feels so right, it can't be wrong. Rocking and rolling all week long.
You ain't seen the best of me yet. Give me time, I'll make you forget the rest.
I'm so glad you have a one-track mind like me. We're moving on up to the side. We finally got a piece of the pie.
Sunday, Monday, happy days.
And I'm always gonna wanna blow your mind.
Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days.
Nothing's gonna turn us back now. Straight ahead and on the track now.
Hey, soul sister,
We're gonna make our dreams come true. Doing it our way.
you know, you see, I can be myself now finally. In fact, there's nothing I can't be. I want the world to see you be with me.
Thursday, Friday, happy days. Saturday, what a day. Grooving all week with you.
Baby, look at me and tell me what you see. You ain't seen the best of me yet. Give me time, I'll make you forget the rest.
The way you move ain't fair, you know.
It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right.
So obsessed.
I got more than you, and you can set it free. There's nothing we won't try. Never heard the word impossible. This time, there's no stopping us. We're gonna do it.
Took a whole lot of trying just to get up that hill. Now we're up in the big leagues. Take my turn at bat. As long as we live, it's you and me, baby. There ain't nothing wrong with that.
It's time to get things started on the most sensational, inspirational, celebrational